Hello everyone, this is Prottoy. First of all, thanks to SM Jeans Company for selecting my photo. Now I'm telling why I like jeans rather than any other pants. First of all, jeans has a very higher durability. Another point is it is very low in price. The next point, it has a versatile collection of styles that I personally love most. It has a huge collection of so many styles. Another thing is jeans is very much user friendly, like it hides all the stains and all the sweats very well, and it's very comfortable to wear. So that's why I love jeans more than any other pants. Thanks.